Today we're making brown butter pumpkin spice popcorn. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. This cozy fall-inspired popcorn is perfect for movie night, so gather your ingredients and let me show you how to make it. Start by adding 57 grams of coconut oil to a large stock pot with a lid. I'm using my 6.5 quart caraway pot here. Put over medium heat and add in 3 popcorn kernels and cover with a lid. Then let them pop. Once they're popped, then add in the remaining popcorn kernels. Cover with the lid again and shake the pot periodically to allow unpopped kernels to sink to the bottom so they can pop. As soon as the popping slows to 1 second between pops, remove from the heat and remove the lid. In a small pot, add in 57 grams of salted butter and put over medium heat. Stir with a high heat spatula and let the butter melt completely. Once it's melted, then it will start to brown. Continue to stir the butter as it turns from a yellow color to a light tan. You'll also see small brown specks appear. Pour the brown butter over the top of the popcorn and then sprinkle pumpkin spice right on top. Add the lid and shake the pot to coat the popcorn completely. Then last, we're going to add some salt to taste. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more fall-inspired recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.